Huge ships of 400 meters in length that navigate the most important maritime routes in the world and are used for the transport of passengers, supply of raw materials, or humanitarian aid missions. These are the 10 largest ships in the world. Number 10. Arktika. It sails under the Russian flag and was built in 2020 in Russia. It is a new generation nuclear-powered icebreaker that can break through ice 3 meters thick. It has a range of 7 years and has space for 53 crew members. It is designed to escort large ships sailing the Northern Sea route. It measures 173 meters long by 33 meters wide. It has a gross tonnage of 28,400 tons and a cargo capacity of 7,100 tons. It has 2 nuclear reactors with a total of 97,800 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 22 knots or 40 kilometers per hour. Number 9. Eco Livorno. It sails under the flag of Italy and was built in China in 2021. It is a ro-ro cargo ship equipped with a hybrid propulsion system that achieves zero emissions in port using lithium batteries. It measures 238 meters long by 34 meters wide. She has a gross tonnage of 67,300 tons and a carrying capacity of 24,000 tons. Her engine has 34,000 horsepower and can reach speeds in excess of 20 knots. She belongs to the Grimaldi Group, which currently has a total of 4 fifth-generation ships like this one, which are the largest and most ecological in the world. Number 8. Stena Germanica. It sails under the Swedish flag and was built in Spain in 2001. It is a ferry that can carry 1,300 passengers and 300 cars. It measures 241 meters long by 29 meters wide. It has a gross tonnage of 51,800 tons and a carrying capacity of 10,600 tons. It works powered by 4 engines with a total of 45,600 horsepower and can reach a speed of over 22 knots. It uses recycled methanol as fuel obtained from waste gases from industrial steel production. This vessel is operated by the Stena Line company and currently sails between Sweden and Germany. Number 7. USNS Mercy. It sails under the American flag and was built in 1976 in the United States. She was initially an oil tanker that in 1984 was acquired by the United States Navy and converted into a hospital ship. She measures 272 meters long by 32 meters wide and has a gross tonnage of 54,300 tons. She has 2 engines with 24,500 horsepower in total and can reach a maximum speed of 17 knots. There is another similar ship called the USNS Comfort, and the objective of both ships is to provide medical services to the armed forces of the United States and help in humanitarian missions. Number 6. Boca Vanguard. It sails under the flag of Caraco and was built in 2013 in South Korea. It is a new generation semi-submersible heavy transport ship that was previously called the Dockwise Vanguard. It is designed to move large structures offshore or to transport large ships. It is operated by 40 crew members, and its design without a bow allows it to transport larger loads. It measures 275 meters long by 27 meters wide. It has a gross tonnage of 91,700 tons and a cargo capacity of 116,000 tons. She has 2 engines with 35,400 horsepower in total and can reach a maximum speed of 12 knots. Number 5. USS Gerald R. Ford. It is a nuclear aircraft carrier that was built in the United States by the Northrop Grumman Company. It entered service in 2017 in the United States and cost $12 billion. It has a displacement of 100,000 tons, and its autonomy is 25 years. It measures 337 meters long by 41 meters wide and 12 meters draft. It has 260,000 horsepower and can reach a speed of over 30 knots. It has space for more than 4,000 people and more than 75 aircraft, and is currently the largest and most advanced aircraft carrier in the world. Number 4. Al Mayfair. It sails under the flag of the Marshall Islands and was built in South Korea in 2009. She is the largest capacity gas carrier in her fleet and belongs to the Q-Max class. This class of vessels defines the largest liquefied natural gas carriers that can dock at Qatar port terminals. It measures 345 meters long by 54 meters wide. The gas tanks from it have a capacity of 266,000 cubic meters. She has a gross tonnage of 163,000 tons and a carrying capacity of 130,000 tons. She has 2 engines with 43,600 horsepower in total and can reach a top speed of 19 knots. Number 3. Pacific Flourish. It sails under the Hong Kong flag and was built in China in 2018. She is a second-generation Valemax-class bulk carrier. She belongs to the China Merchants Group Company, which was founded in 1872 and has a fleet of different types of ships and routes that stretch all over the world. She measures 362 meters long by 65 meters wide. She has a gross tonnage of 203,000 tons and a carrying capacity of 399,000 tons. She has a motor with 32,400 horsepower in total and can reach a speed of over 14 knots. Number 2. TI Europe. It sails under the Belgian flag and was built in South Korea in 2002. It is an oil tanker measuring 380 meters long by 68 meters wide and 25 meters draft. It has a gross tonnage of 234,000 tons and a cargo capacity of 441,000 tons. Its engines have 50,000 horsepower and it can reach a maximum speed of 16 knots. The ship's tanks have a double safety system which keeps the temperature low and reflects solar radiation. In total, 4 ships like this were built, which is capable of transporting 3 million barrels of oil. Number 1. Ever Ace. It sails under the flag of Panama and was built in South Korea in 2021. It is a container ship that belongs to the Taiwanese company Evergreen Marine and sails between Asia and Europe. It measures 400 meters long by 61 meters wide and 17 meters draft. It has a gross tonnage of 235,000 tons and can carry a total of 23,992 containers. It has one engine with 78,000 horsepower and can reach a speed of 22 knots. It is equipped with an energy-saving and emission reduction system. In total, there will be 14 sister ships of the Evergreen A Terrace that will be built in 2025. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment saying what other types of ships you would like to see a new video about. If you like the channel, please subscribe and turn on all notification bells so you don't miss the next video.